going to talk to you about BNTC. You can see here that it popped at 11 o'clock, and I'm pretty sure it popped in the morning too, right? Let's just click this. Yeah, probably. And then it rose throughout the end of the day. MVIS was the clear winner, but that was pretty hard to catch. It was like, you can see that it rose pretty fast. I have a feeling that BNTC was probably easier to catch. Okay, so BNTC. Let's look at BNTC. Before we do that, what is BNTC? So it's a biotech company, and basically they're in the business of helping to solve hepatitis B, oculopharyngeal muscular dystrophy, and basically any diseases that are caused by DNA. And they're researching ddRNAi. I'll show you a video quickly. I guess I could slow it down. It's not a big deal. I was watching 2x speed. Oh no, I want to go back. Oh wait, yeah, replay.
This animation explains the unique Benetect ddRNAi technology and how it is different from siRNA, the more commonly used RNAi approach. In a normal cell, genes composed of DNA in the cell's nucleus continuously produce RNA, which codes for specific proteins. In disease, sometimes there are rogue genes which are turned on inside cells, and they make mRNA that produces proteins that shouldn't be there. These proteins cause the cells to malfunction. One approach to treating the diseased cells is to turn off or silence the disease-causing gene by targeting its mRNA. This is generally done using short interfering RNA, or siRNA. siRNA uses synthetic double-stranded RNA molecules which enter the cells. An enzymatic complex, or RISC, then finds the siRNA and separates it into single strands. One of the strands, the guide strand, remains with the complex. The other strand, the passenger strand, degrades. The guide strand then binds to the target mRNA, leaving it at a particular site. The mRNA then degrades. This method is effective, but the siRNA must be re-administered regularly to maintain the silencing of the disease-causing gene. Benetect has developed a technology that can provide permanent silencing of the target gene with a single treatment. The Benetect ddRNAi technology is a DNA construct that is delivered to the cell using a vector. The DNA construct enters the nucleus of the target cell. Double-stranded RNA in the form of a short hairpin, or shRNA, is then continuously expressed from the construct. The shRNA passes through the nuclear membrane into the cytoplasm of the cell, where an enzyme, DICER, chops off the loop. This converts the shRNA molecule into an siRNA molecule. The process from shRNA production to mRNA cleavage continues indefinitely for the life of the cell. This ensures that the mRNA can never be active. Since the ddRNAi process results in the cell continuously expressing the shRNA, there is no need for further dosing, effectively providing a cure to the patient from a single treatment.
And then after they get treated, no more revenue. I'm just kidding. But honestly, they're doing a good thing. This seems awesome, and if they charge a lot for it, they'll make a lot of money. So, sounds cool. But then we have to think about also how rare are the diseases that they're solving. Hepatitis B is 1.2 million in the US, 350 million people worldwide have hepatitis B. So I'd say it's kind of a rare disease. And then also, where was it? This oculopharyngeal muscular dystrophy, it even says right there, it's a rare form of muscular dystrophy. So not very common, it's again rare. So let's look at their financials. They have net losses pretty much every year, and I guess this is normal with research and development companies. They especially had a big loss during 2020, and that's because their revenue was, well, no, that's not why why they had a big loss. It was more likely because the amount of general administrative costs were really high. You can see here 2020 6 months ended was 3.9 million, and then 3 months ended December 31st was, well, I feel like these are better numbers to look at. The net loss $5.97 million. So wow, like they're really losing a lot of money with this company, but it's an R&D company, so it's kind of okay. Then you have assets, and their assets are quite good. They have 15K in assets, and then their total liabilities is only 108, right? I guess it's kind of odd, isn't it? No, it's not. So 887. Sorry, I was misreading that. So 15 versus 887 or 0.8 is vastly. That's healthy. That's great that they are really able to. Even their current assets. So it's mostly their current assets. They have so much cash. Now here's the kicker. The kicker is that they're making all of their dough from stocks. Proceeds from issues of shares and pre-funded warrants, $11.4 million. So their stock price is making their balance sheet look really good. And then they have, I guess, cash from previous periods. Let's see. Again, probably a lot of it's from stock price. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's see. No, I don't want to look at any more financials. I have a feeling that the fundamentals are not that great. Okay, but the really good thing, the shares floating is only 3.98 million, so it's low float, and then 1.11% short float. So there's not many people shorting the stock, so that's great. And then the chart, let's see the chart. Okay, so like I don't know if I mentioned this, I don't remember. Basically, I like to use slow algos to tell me when to get in and start taking long positions, and then I like to use a fast algo that will tell me where to get out and get in based on that time. Well, not that time, but like after I've gotten the safe go ahead and start taking long positions for my slow algo. So a slow algo tells me to take long positions, and then I have a sell signal here, a buy signal here, so I can listen to the buy signal, listen to the sell signal, buy signal here, and then it goes all the way up, and then I can sell here, and then that's an amazing trade. I'm happy. Let's look for another one. I would have not tried to keep trading once I got that's juice. That's juicy. Okay, then there's a nice buy signal here. It says start taking long positions, and then I could have listened to all these, but when you get this kind of mixed signal, try to buy under EMA 10 and sell over EMA 5, and that will at least you'll make some money, you know. So you have a lot of that here. Then you have one really good buy and sell signal, and that one's over here. So buy over here, keeps going up, and then it says premium. So I've changed this. I've changed my code to tell me when the stock price is above 100% of the bands, and it will start saying premium. So I wouldn't have taken profit here. I would have liked to take profit in these areas, but then again, I could always hold, especially when volume is high. If volume is really high or growing, I would have tried to take profit. I might have tried to take profit here, to be honest, because volume fell, and I would have been afraid of a drop but I didn't get I wonder, would we have got a price volume divergence signal? Maybe. Let's see. I hope not. Crossing my fingers. Damn it, we got one. Yeah, it's true. So volume fell, and then price went up. So that's kind of like when you start to see this sort of thing happen, like especially here, look at this. Volume went up, price went up. Volume went down and then price went up. And that was a signal to sell. So once you see the price volume divergence start to happen, like get ready to sell because the stock price is gonna fall. It did a downtrend over here and it was pretty long and vicious, and then there was like start shorting the stock signal basically. It's not safe to start taking long positions anymore, and then there was this. And at this point, I think this is all post-market, right? Let me just double check. Yeah, this is all post-market. Bear in mind that this stock went up to all the way up to 10.53 from $3 not too long ago. I think it was like about a week ago. And then yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video and have a great day.